Alright, today we're looking at a 2009 Honda Accord LXP. Alright, it's alabaster silver metallic in color. It's got 107,000 miles on it. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. We'll start on the driver's side. It does have the nice chrome trim around the windows. Everything along the driver's side of the Accord's in good shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. Everything looks good here. Small little ding in the trunk right there. Just point that out to you. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good here. Okay. Once again, I'm going to show you this. There's a small little wrinkle right here in the chrome. Okay. Over here as well. Okay. Really minor stuff though. For this to be a 2009 with 107,000 miles, exterior of this Accord's in great shape. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray, light gray door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have the thick rubber floor mats down here. All right, got the gray cloth seats. It's a power driver seat. Okay. Small little cigarette burn right there, but it has been filled in. Okay. Does come with a keyless entry key fob. Over there you got your cup holders there. You got the center armrest with the little storage tray, but you've got your auxiliary and power outlet right there. Alright. Passenger seat cloth looks good. Alright, no problems at all there. It does have the thick rubber floor mat on that side as well. It is an automatic. It's got your AM, FM, CD player. Okay. Got your climate controls there. It's going to have your radio display right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. It's got your cruise control on the right side of the steering wheel. Got your steering wheel audio controls on the left side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 107,763 miles. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you the radio display here. Okay, and then once again your climate control area. And then your AM, FM, CD player. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. And then we'll take a look at your trunk space. Alright, door panels here look good. Got the nice thick rubber floor mats in the back as well. Carpet back here looks good. Back seat cloths in really good shape. No issues at all back here. Got the center armrest that comes down, got the cup holders there. Also, there's access to the trunk through the back seat. Okay. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Got 107,000 miles on this 2009 interior. Besides that one little cigarette burn is in fantastic shape. Okay. Carpet back here looks good. No issues at all. Got your jack and your spare tire under there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 16-inch alloys. All right, alloys are in good shape. Tires look good. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2009. Got 107,000 miles on it. In really good shape, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.